So for example, let's take, I just want to become a data scientist. I don't know anything at all. So what are the
Okay.
top five skills that you can just recommend me?
Okay. Funny enough, because I just wrote the exact same article last month. It's there in production. I'll quickly just, just help you recall those five skills. What I
Sure.
mentioned over there. First one is your simple, your statistics, mathematics, linear algebra, the base foundation of mathematics, right? Second is, let's say you are looking for an AI ML engineer, so you should know AI ML algorithms, right? So what kind of algorithms you're looking for
Mhm.
to solve your problem use cases. Then third is, when you know all of this, you need the machine to be able to understand it. For that, you need a programming language to implement your knowledge. So
Hmm.
programming language can be a Python, R, SAS, whatever you wish like. Python is something that I would suggest strongly, going by the industry trend right now, right? Then fourth one is basically your business knowledge, domain knowledge. That is also very crucial,
Yeah.
right? For example, if I say 10 years old kid and then I say $10 of salary, right? For machine, both are 10. It is us who has to tell machine this is age and this is salary, right? So
Yeah.
basically understanding the data. And fifth one, last but not the least, storytelling. You should be smart enough to understand technically to your model and then explain it to somebody. Let's say if I have to explain it to my 10-year-old nephew, I should be able to explain what I'm doing. Then only you will be able to convince your stakeholders, your clients, your business partners in your organization when you're working as a professional. So storytelling again is something people don't pay a lot of focus on, but it's very crucial. So these are the five skills I would strongly recommend.